Okay. Problem with ụfọdụ bloggers is that I don't like people who are not consistent. I like ndị na-eme ikwu n'ụtụtụ ịpụta na n'efie ikwu another one, ịpụta n'abalị ikwu another one. You should be consistent. Ko ya ewota video ukwu we na line okulu na ekeresi. As a blogger, as somebody not into media, you should sometimes do your due diligence. Investigative journalism should be the order of the day. If Jpàc is known with proof, Gosrena, no olive oil and holy water ada alolo, right? Because I'm an mofoduni me had the dobi bubea, so I don't blame them when they begin to speak out of emotion. In my own broadcast, ka Jpàc batana my broadcast. If I am lying, let people correct me. Jpàc came in my own broadcast to come and prove to people the efficiency of holy water. He shared a testimony with us. Na n'ife nwanu na-eme mgbe perimpe na Steve anya na atọ o wee sị na okpekidoro ekpere wee woto olive oil wee nọwa nwa n'ahụ na olive oil aka ọ na-anụ nwa n'ahụ na-ekpe ekpere ife na-eme nwa wee release ya. What proof will be greater than that one he shared on Facebook? Which other proof can he was even arguing with people, trying to convince people then the efficiency of olive oil. Now, open we prove keta no olive oil ada alolo. On a basic okowalai, no olive oil according to him, because not now when he shared the testimony, he shared the testimony of how olive oil helped him to revive his son when he was almost about to lose his son. Because no son no more ego and no more form oil me or say okukwe tinebe chukuno or olive oil la tewe nwanye tono banano Steve wenalo nwa we ndu we batapa nwa n'ime Facebook manu na ifuru na na Facebook all these videos are being documented. O nwere ike ọwụrụ mgbe into 70 something years ko ụmụazị ka ya da choose ka inye nwata advice nwata weje wota video we go say daddy okwangu na ekwu ifa uncle okwangu kwuru ifa grandpa is this not you? You dey say n'enu mmiri. That is why you must have to be careful about what you say on Facebook. Consistency is the key to everything, even to success. You cannot be fluctuating like a low current. That is not how people, that is not how to be reliable. If mood change, equal be if watching Jigaria, equal another one nabani. All these things started when you went on a fight with people who don't even have time to fight you. Now, this is how it is. Like I said, Obulun is shallow. Kankuzielu, how to be consistent. It is number one. You must have to be matured. Maturity means nobolo na gena nwunye gi so okwu. Happy anya gaba. Only if you call go na edebeye, so that you don't go telling people the opposite of what you have told them before. Before, you know, now when them matter na nwunye wu the best. Na nwunye wu hato. Na nwunye wu nka. No na atu egwu Chineke. Now go na esekwazi okwu epụtakwazie gwaba ndị mmadụ na nwunye ga awụ ekwensu na awụ ekwensu na Chineke ya akpọ ya ọkụ. Go na edozikwa epụtakwa chọkwa ka ime damage control. So the best thing is be matured enough to wash your words before you drop them, because when you drop them, taking them back is always very difficult. Look at Jpàc. Which other proof in a way proof yet you have denied every single thing you have said. You have apologized countlessly. What is pushing you into saying all these things? Who are you trying to defend? Who are you trying to protect? I don't understand. You said it in a screen on a live broadcast. You came in, I did not invite you. You came in to come and prove to people the efficiency and the power of olive oil. Yes, today you have reduced that same olive oil that saved your son into Evangelist. You have now reduced that powerful olive oil that saved your son into something that is not powerless. Yeah? Comparing it to Okite. Yeah? Comparing it to Okite. Okay, make with the wash. Make with the wash. Let people be keeping the record of what I say and what they say. You want to go? Before me, je gwa mo fi film go na Facebook apota kugari aye. Nwero. Mama mo kwari nke mkuru mecha, but I analyze things and I may check things critically before I maintain my stand. Because I know what it means for somebody not to be stable. Excited. The same olive oil that saved your son is the same olive oil that is powerless. The inconsistency in the way you blog says a lot about you. You mood swing, you swing another one. That was how which way why nebunua na the boy ato he go na kwoko nwoku eputakwa why nebunua na the guy toriye na ibacha anya na defend akwa as your friend. What of owu ni mechiri onu odifi mechiri onu o mgba go na kwase beziri okwu imechi onu yekwe. Silence is golden. You make sure go. But you always want to use everything at your disposal to fight without knowing that you are painting a picture of yourself. I have told you to some extent, everybody that have any dealing with you will be using you. You will not know. That person will not come for you. That person will not come to you. You know what I go? But only if I have to solely beneficial to you, the person will not come. Except no money only see benefit for you. Or be a man no use rule. Yes. So I don't know if you see it as progress. A man should count his words before you drop them. Because the moment you drop them, it has been written down. Cleaning it will be very difficult. That testimony still stands until you tell us a proof of what shows that olive oil doesn't work. God,